This is another video showing you guys exactly how I made £1,000 in the space of 2-3 hours, let's just call it. Now, this is the 30 minutes chart. You need to go back and watch my previous video. Now, have a look at this clip right here that I'm going to post up, and you're going to see exactly what I said. Here you are. I do believe there's going to be a lot of spiking because there's a lot of liquidity up here, yeah? So I'm not going to play the fool's game. I'm giving you too much. Now, way too much now. Back to this chart right here. Now, you could clearly see, as I said, we're going to go down to, should we go to the 15 minutes? Perfect, right? 15 minutes right here. This is where it's cooking. You need to look at this box here. This box right here is where it's all cooking. We touch the downward slope. It reacts. What did I say? I said that it's going to go up and clean these stops. Everybody's got stops around here. These are where the stops are. Liquidity. They're there. That's where they're going to be. What did that do? It took everyone out and it delivered. It dropped. Then what did it do? It tricked people thinking we are going to basically go up and break the downward slope, right? Because if you swing the fibs from this point here to that point here, it reacted right there. I want to zoom in. Let me zoom in because you don't need to see this. Look, it basically kisses that to a T, right? Takes some sort of fair value. So for you fair value gap traders, you'd have seen that 50%. It goes up, but it doesn't break. It closes above this trend line. But then what happens? It slams back down in. One of my favorite trades. This is it. For me, it always works out. And this is why I'll have the ability to make money at any given time. Anytime I see this setup, for me, it's money. It's that's what it is. You know, perfect trade. Just as I said, you know, we go into the 5 minutes. Let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Again, people's stops will be here, above this wick here. What happens here? It collects it. Look at what it does. That has collected liquidity. That circle there, and it drops, touches the 50% right there. It does a little rally up. It's a false rally. And then, bang, it basically slams back into the range of the downward slope. And it's as simple as that. You know. This did give you another chance to get in, because what you would have done if you had missed that, you know, because to be honest with you, once you see that and you go short, basically, you know, if you are unaware of this, it's going to happen. This could be a sign, the fact that it swept that. So when it comes back down, you can say, you know what, I'm going to take shorts on this line. Let's say you did take shorts on that line and you put your stops basically above that wick. You'd have been risking 190 pips. There's a 3-to-1. You get it. So yeah, look, we're at the 78 right now as you speak. We can see some sort of it can hold here and start to go back up, maybe to these wicks, and then collapse further down to, you know, these zones that I anticipate. But the money's made, and that's what it's about. Because anything here, once you've made this run, it's all about just scaling out, being smart, how you handle the situation. But look, that's it, before and after. I'm not here to try and post stuff, you know, oh, look, it's done, when the move is already done. Sometimes you look at people's entries, you don't understand it. This is live or before and after. This is a setup. I showed you the buy side to it. The buy side was here. Was it reacting of this zone? It goes up, it comes back down to this imbalance, and then you capture all of this back to the trend line. Once you get to the trend line, you get out because you don't know whether it's going to flip back down or break it. Now, for me, this signaled to me that, look, we are perhaps going to go down. So it went down a bit. As I said, I want liquidity gone. It's too easy to just put your stops above this and sell. Everybody will make money if that was the case. The market doesn't work like that. Retailers, beginners, they need to lose money for other people to make money. What happens? The market goes up. It takes everyone out. It drops onto the 50%. It gives people something to think about. Goes back up, and that's it. Perfectly done.